Hi everybody, my name is 𝙗𝙨𝙨 and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a super exciting little unboxing and it is for the MacBook Air with the M2 chip in the color Starlight, and I am super duper excited because this computer looks absolutely stunning. I love the Starlight color and I am super excited to open it with you guys and customize it in a later video. So let's get into it. So I typically don't do this, but I have decided that I'm gonna start from scratch with this new MacBook just because I do have most of the files that I use on a day-to-day basis on this right here, which is my iMac. And honestly, my MacBook is more of just a school tool because clearly I cannot take this humongous screen with me to campus. So most of my like day-to-day files that I actually use when I'm at the house are on my iMac, just because I like sitting at my desk and doing stuff on my desk. So I think I'm gonna start from scratch, which is gonna be very new to me. Anything that I do need, I will probably just transfer myself later on. So yeah, let's get signed in. This Starlight color is gorgeous. I like it a lot better than the gold from the previous MacBook Air, which looks more rose gold than it does gold. Like my old MacBook Air was called gold, but that was not gold, that was a rose gold. I hope I don't regret starting from scratch with this computer. Honestly, if I do, I can always just transfer everything back to it later on, which is a great thing about the fact that I still have my old one and the migration assistant is like always there. So if I do regret it, I'll probably just transfer everything over. I definitely love how it looks. I love the fact that the screen is bigger and then the vessels are a lot thinner. I think it's absolutely stunning and I'm definitely very excited to customize it. So let's go over to Canva. I already have a like pre-made wallpaper that I would love to use because, fun fact, I actually picked up this computer on Sunday and it had a scratch that had like a little dent on it, and I was just not willing to keep a computer that had a dent because they're not cheap. So I went to the Apple store. They were super nice. The guy that took care of me was just very understanding, and he was like, you know what, I absolutely get it. I would not want to have a computer that's scuffed or has a dent or a scratch either, especially because, you know, you're paying it yourself and whatnot. So he was like, you know what, I will absolutely get you a replacement, and here she is in all of her glory. She is absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna save that to the computer. Okay, here is my little wallpaper. Look how cute she is. I think she's so adorable, and I love matching the color of my wallpaper to the color of my computer. So in my iMac I have a pink one. When I had my space gray MacBook I had a black one, or like gray and stuff like that. Also gonna do a couple other things that I like to customize. We're gonna go to system preferences, and then we are going to general, and then for accent color I like, again, one that matches the whole vibe of the computer. So I'm gonna go with graphite, which is this like grayish like dark color, just because I think it's the one that matches best. In my rose gold MacBook I have pink, but we're gonna go with graphite. I'm gonna change the size of the mini bar. I'm gonna make it just a tad smaller. I'm gonna say bye before the sunlight disappears. So thank you guys so much for watching my little unboxing. I am so excited to use this computer because it looks absolutely stunning. I would also love to do a what's on my MacBook, as well as what's on my iPhone, what's my iPad, all that kind of stuff. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below somewhere around here, as well as click on the notification bell so YouTube tells you every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to also follow me on all my social medias, which are going to be linked down below, especially on my TikTok and my Instagram, which are the socials where I'm the most active. Bye!